Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you have administrator rights and that all virtual machines and snapshots are shut down. Once done, you avoid data loss and locked resources. Next, open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt so commands take effect system-wide. Then check current boot settings with bcdedit/enum so you can confirm changes. After that, run bcdedit/set Hyper-V Virtualization off. This tells Windows not to start the Hyper-V hypervisor on boot. Make sure to schedule a reboot now. Once you've turned off the hypervisor at boot, remove Hyper-V's Windows features so the platform is fully disabled. Run dism with dism/online/disable feature/feature name, Microsoft Hyper-V all/no restart. This uninstalls core components. If you have Virtual Machine Platform or Windows Hypervisor Platform, disable them too. Use the same dism pattern. Also inspect Device Guard or Memory Integrity. HVCI in Windows Security or Group Policy, those can keep virtualization active. After running these commands, do not reboot yet. Confirm the feature removal completed without errors. Now reboot the machine to apply both the bcdedit and dism changes. A complete restart is required for the hypervisor to stop loading. After startup, verify by running bcdedit/enum to see Hyper-V Virtualization set to off and query dism features to confirm Hyper-V components are disabled. If you still see virtualization active, make sure BIOS/UEFI virtualization, VTX or AMDV, is disabled or uninstall other hypervisors like Docker WSL integration. That single step usually resolves persistent hypervisor reloading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.